I'm Lauren with Let Me Organize It, and I'm going to share with you today how to fold your clothes. So often when I'm working with clients in their closets and dresser drawers, they say, Lauren, you've done such a great job. It looks beautiful. How do I keep it up? Or when I see them in a couple weeks, they say, it started off so great, but I just don't know how to do the folding like you do it. So I thought, hey, maybe I should share this information with everybody. So my top tip here is unlearn everything you ever learned about folding. Break all the rules. You can fold any way you want, and you can fold multiple times. So I'm going to show you with some basic pieces of clothing. So first, we're going to start with a pair of jeans. Basic pair. Fold in half. Fold in half again. And then depending on the depth of your drawer, you can either fold into the middle like this, and one more if you have a very shallow drawer, or you can fold in thirds. So that means folding one part down like this, and then the other part over like this. This would be for deeper drawers. And then you can file your clothes in upright like files in a drawer, and that is also known as the Marie Kondo method. Although she was not the first one to come up with this style, she has really made it popular. Similarly, you can do that with shorts. So this is a pair of shorts. So I would not now fold it in half. I would just either do it in thirds, and I usually try to start with the legs first and then down again. And then that would be in a deeper drawer, or folding into the middle and then again. And that's how I would fold your shorts. All right. So that's how I do it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below or feel free to email me. And until next time.